All right, guys, so you need to stop talking to AI and start having it actually do your tasks. And ZenFlow is going to allow you to do that. All you have to do is describe a task, no drag and drop, just describe it in plain English. So I have a task I want it to do. Every morning, I want it to search Jira for status transitions and write a 5-bullet summary. We're going to do that. I'm going to come to automations here. And then I'm going to pick what I want. So we can see all the different ones here. You can do a lot of different stuff, but we can go ahead. You can pick product, sales, marketing, or you can just go ahead, use Jira Brief. So we're going to have a Jira Brief right here. I'm just going to tell it what to do, when to start. It's going to run daily. You want to tell it when to run, and then you want to go ahead and click create. You can also create it in a repository, and you can use a workflow auto. You can have it research. You can do all that stuff. So here I can come up here and create it. And now we can see all the different tasks. You can create as many tasks as you want. Then you can go ahead and run it. That's going to run the Jira stand-up right here. It's going to search Jira for all the issues. It's going to look through all the issues, and then it's going to generate a summary in the chat window. And you can also chat with it as well. This platform isn't locked into one model. It supports Claude Code. It supports Gemini. You pick what you want it to run. The nice thing about this is you can pick multiple different language LLMs. So if you want to use Gemini, you can. If you want to use Claude, Codex, all that, this works across Gmail. This works across Notion. This works across Linear, Google, Drive, all of that. It's really, really easy to do. Now, how do you do that? Well, you can come here to settings and you can pick what you want to integrate. So here we can go ahead and see what it all integrates. You can see Notion, for example. You can go ahead and connect Notion. So that will go ahead and connect Notion for you. Then you can also come here, connect Gmail. You can connect Linear. You can connect all these different ones. You just need a login, and then you connect it to your Linear app. And then it's connected. It's ready to go. Now, you still want to have all the, information there for all of them. So that is all the different things that you can connect. Now, you can go ahead and come back and prompt the agent with Linear. So how do you do that? You would come back, you can go to automations, and you can go ahead and do another one. So you can do a new automation. This time, you can go ahead and do it for Linear. I'm going to go ahead, sync my sprints, my Linear to my Notion every 2 hours. You can say Linear to Notion. And then we can go ahead and click create, and then that's working. So you can connect multiple apps. While you're connecting multiple apps, you can make them work together. Now you have the agentic nature of the tool moving between apps. You can see this right here. You can run this. It goes through the different ones. So you can see right here, Jira, it's going through that. It's moving through all of the tools. You could call this agentic. It's the agent that's navigating between different tools. And unlike black box automation, ZenFlow is designed to be safe. Agents pause and ask for clarification. If it's uncertain, if it doesn't know what to do, it will ask you. And you can come here to create as many new tasks as you want. So we can see here, proactive AI assistant for every team. So if you want to jump in, you want your team to jump in, if you want your VA to jump in, whatever you want to get done, you define it, it gets it done. You can think of this as your secretary, you can think of this as your VA, handling everything, Jira, Linear, GitHub, as we saw all that for marketing, sales, operations, finance, HR. It does it all. You simply run a task to read merge PRs, categorize them. Then the agent, if it has any questions, will ask. And then the nice thing is it will finish the task. If it has any questions, it will ask. And then after it's done, you get a confirmation. So guys, stop waiting every morning on manual updates. It's not worth it. Head to the link in the description, get your ZenFlow access, and start automating your workflow today.